Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Rebecca, Becky, Bex, however you want to call me. In today's video, I created this green halo eye using the Sleek Eye Define eyeshadow palette in Garden of Eden. And I'm also going to be using in this video the Sleek Get the Look Metallic Eye Set, which comes with a mascara, a liquid eye colour and a loose pigment. But I'm only going to be using the liquid eye colour and mascara in this video. Now this video is not sponsored by Sleek. They don't even know I'm making this video. I just came across this mini Christmas set and I really wanted to try it in this video. If you can't come across this set, do not worry, you can buy the items individually. So not only is this like a little tutorial, but it's like a little mini first impressions as well. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe, please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends, whoever likes makeup. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, link is in the description bar below. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, just keep watching. I decided to use tape today just to add a little bit more shape. I've already primed my eyes with a concealer and powder. I'm just going to grab the Sleek eyeshadow palette in Garden of Eden 447. I'm grabbing the darkest green color in the palette, grabbing a Superdrug Studio brush. I'm going to pack that darkest color right on the inner corner and outer corner of my eye, and with the outer corner I'm just going to start bringing out a little wing. I'm now going to be taking the colour next to the dark green matte colour, which is this forest green shimmery colour. I'm going to grab a Poundland blending brush and I'm going to be applying that colour on top of the matte dark green colour. So I'm going to be blending on top, blending it out to create a longer wing. I'm blending it down the sides of the greens and also in the inner corner as well. I'm now going to be grabbing the lightest green in the palette, which is that bright neon yellowy green colour. I'm going to grab a Primark PS fluffy brush, going to grab that colour and I'm going to apply that colour right in the crease and right on top of those two colours, not only to add a lighter transition, but also to blend all the greens together with a lighter colour. I'm going to go back in with those two colours, so with the Poundland brush and the Studio brush with no added product on it, and I'm just going to add the darker colour in and then the forest green shimmery colour in, so we can add them in so we don't lose the colour's intensity and they blend the colours all together. I'm now going to start cutting the centre of my eye, so I'm going to grab my little Sleek set. I'm going to be using the iArt Precision Liquid Eye Colour and it's in the shade Fauvism. Going to be distributing that colour on a flat brush. This is just a Revolution flat brush and I'm going to be painting this down the centre of my eye. So I'm going to sort of do it in a diagonal shape so that my lid is going to be the smaller bit and my crease bit is going to be the thicker bit. From that palette, I'm now going to grab that really light green colour, light green shimmery colour. I'm going to grab that on a Studio flat brush. I'm going to spritz my brush and I'm going to be applying that colour right on top of that liquid eye colour we just applied. So not only it makes it as a base, but it helps to make the colour pop out a bit. I know I would have preferred maybe a bit of a darker cream eyeshadow, but this still works really, really well. I'm now going to start adding some pencils to my upper lash line and lower lash line. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Precision Skinny Gel Eyeliner and I'm going to use this to tightline under my lashes. So I'm just going to be applying that underneath. For mascara, I'm going to be using the mascara from that set. This is the Sleek Black Utopia Volumising Mascara and it's in the shade Black. It's a really big spiky brush. One side is flat with really tiny spikes and the other side is more big and bristly. So I'm just going to be applying this to my lashes. This is the first time I've used this mascara and I'm really, really impressed. Best to apply this though when it's wet, not dry. And I also, with that cream eyeshadow I used, I was very, very impressed because this is the first time I've used these two products and I'm super impressed of how they both performed. The cream eyeshadow was great as a base for my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to be using the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in Go Green. So I'm going to be using this on the lower lash line, just to add that little pop of green colour. I'm going to be taking those two brushes and I'm going to apply the darker matte brown green colour under the lower lash line. So I'm just going to be placing that in the inner corner and outer corner, and I'm going to grab that same brush I used to apply that lighter green shimmery colour, and I'm just going to apply that in the centre of my eyes. I finished the lower lash line with some mascara and the eyes are pretty much done. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. This makeup look was so much fun to do. I really do love greens and blues and purples and pinks. I love different bright coloured eyeshadows, especially when you see so many inspirations on Instagram. I just love looking at these different eye looks. So if you guys have really enjoyed this little tutorial, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends, whoever likes makeup. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.